then she was like, no way! And then I was like, yeah way! And then she was like, oh my gosh, like, seriously, no way! And then I was like, yeah, girlfriend, hi! And then she was like, honey, please! You know, I really miss Pepper. It's been like 1 hour, 27 minutes, and 34 seconds since I last saw her. Oh, she's right there. Salty song! Finally. It's been like so long. I have so much to tell you. She was like, girlfriend, stop. Like, come on. And I was like, stop. You're in trouble. So, I won last time. Where's my prize? I demand the prize. No! Where did that attitude come from? Alright, Blue. Last time you and Lightbulb jumped into the safe zone before the rest of the contestants, which means that you two get to pick the teams. Really? Cool. Yeah, thanks to Taco. So, Lightbulb, you can choose first. He gets to choose first. What about me? Well, if you remember, Lightbulb fell into the water before you, so he gets to choose first. Nico, come over here. You and those little kickers of yours can be on my team. You've made a wise decision, Lightbulb. You won't regret it. Well, I chose Pickle. After his brave cliff dive, I now realize that... Yeah. Enough with the 6-hour speeches. Thank you. I thought he'd never shut up. Yeah, chosen first? That's awesome. Second, you're chosen second. What? Alone? How could you? Nico, how about we choose me? He's strong, right? Fine, whatever. No, you better choose me. Now I don't have to beat you up. Ooh, that's a relief. I was so terrified. No! It's just like this thing now. Hey, Balloon, let's choose Taco. No way! Let's pick someone who's actually useful to the team. Hey, you picked me third. Taco, get over here. You can be on our team. What? I didn't agree to that. Hey, precious soul, you can come in handy someday. Well, actually, I also know how this all that matters. Listen, Pinky, you can manage the crowd. Okay, buddy, get over here. Baseball, you have to be on my team. Yeah, I agree. Pepper can't be chosen. Like, did I hear my name? Like, I love my name. It's got the purr noise, like purr. And you know, let's choose Marshmallow. Oh, great, a tiny weak object. Can't we get along? No, it's just Smallies against the world. They'll never respect us. Hey guys, how about we choose Saw? She's cool, right? Like, did I hear my name? Let's choose Bone. He has lots of exploding fun. That wasn't funny at all. Paper or Salt? Which one should we choose? Definitely Paper. He's cool. Plus, I don't feel like listening to Salt's like, OMG, like, no way. Hey, Salt, that means you get to be on my team now. Come on. Okay. Now, all of the contestants are assigned to teams, so each team must pick a team name. Just because you're so epic, how about Team Epic? Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, you are now Team Epic. And Balloon's team, choose a name, please. Chicken Head! Okay, Team Chicken Head is. What? No! Yes, now that the teams are picked, we can move on to the challenge. If you noticed, there are 2 large lemon trees behind all of you. Large? Hey, I found our tree! Yeah! Silence your fist! We're not mere trees. We're apple trees! Yeah, look like our apples and rap! What the? Those weren't there 3 seconds ago. No, they were not. Anyway, you have to take the lemons from your tree and put them in your team's respective baskets. The team with the most lemons in their basket at the end of a 3-minute time period wins. Got it? Well, actually, I had a question about start. Yeah. What? Yeah. Baseball the backboard. Go. I mean, it's still fruit, right? That's you right, dude. Hey, let's use the useless one to our advantage. You're gonna have to be more specific. Okay, that was kind of hard. Who cares? It worked, didn't it? Hurry up, Taco! Give us the lemon! the best show ever. You mean just with houses? I knew I liked you. Oh, it's no, opponents, don't cheat on turbos. She's so sweet. It's so sad. Hey, I'm in the train. There are 11s in here. Oh, there. The tree's rigged. Nature can't be rigged. It doesn't work that way. How about the 11s in our train? 20 seconds left, and it looks like Team Chicken Leg is pretty much doomed. Oh, great! You know what, Taco? This is our airport! Taco, you're stuck! Don't worry, guys. We're still in first place, and there's only a couple seconds left. Time's up, and the score is 33 for Team Chicken Leg and 32 for Team Epic. So Team Not So Epic loses. They'll be voting one of their members off today. You know, Nickel, if you just didn't toss over that apple, we would have won. You know, like, if you just did anything. Gotta help. We were watching a perfect television. You guys are so eliminated. Alright, all the votes are in, and it's time to see which contestant will leave the game forever. Each episode, if you're safe, you'll get a little gifty gift. I have a hot plate of chocolate chip cookies. Now baseball, you received no votes against you, so you get to stay for another episode. What happened to the cookies? That is a cookie. This is literally not a cookie. Paintbrush, light bulb, and nickel also received no votes. Cookie. Marshmallow, with only one vote against you, you are also safe. Only one? But that means... Sorry, Nate, I couldn't help. There's either you or me. You're no better than a apartment. You're dead. Easy? Let's find out. The first contestant eliminated is... about to be determined. You both received 3 votes, so it's time for a tiebreaker challenge. You both are standing on a small platform suspended over a lake. The first contestant to fall off the platform and into the lake below is eliminated. Oh yeah, and you can't come back. Ever. You may have mentioned that. It's that simple. Go! You actually think you can beat me up? That was close. What the heck, knife? Is that a freaking dolphin? It looks like Paper fell off, so he is eliminated. That wraps things up, so tune in next time for another amazing episode of Inanimate Insanity! Big news! The BFDI and Inanimate Sanity 2025 tour is officially confirmed for this summer. We're collaborating with our friends at Jack and Jellyfish once again to create a new series of events across the U.S. What will be showing at the events, and when will tickets be available? Mark your calendars and clocks, because on April 4th at 9 a.m. PST, tickets will be available at InanimateSanity.com/tickets at that exact time. We really hope to see you there. It's sure to be our best event series yet. And please consider subscribing so we can continue to do